Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today is the first video in a new series I am starting called Weird Wish Wednesday. What does that mean? Well, that means that I went shopping on Wish and I found a weird beauty product to try out. So if you want to see what my product is today, then you're in the right place. We're going to do the Perfect Smile. Oops. Perfect Smile. So we're going to see how this works. If you want to see how it looks and how this works, you're in the right place. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and once in a while I'll throw in a Wednesday for the Weird Wish Wednesday. So if you want to see how the Perfect Smile veneers look, just keep watching. Alright, the instructions say I'm supposed to place this in boiling water for 2 minutes. So I have water boiling right now, which I'll have to go run and get. And what it says to do, let me show you everything you get. You get this little plastic case, and there's 2 parts to it. You have this piece, I don't know if you remember back when we were little kids, you had those wax teeth that you would put in, and then you would chew them and eat them like candy. That's what this reminds me of. So anyway, these are what the veneers look like. All right, here's what you get with the kit. You get your Perfect Smile veneer and your instruction booklet. So this is all in a little plastic case. They say that you can remold this over and over. So what you're supposed to do, find some 2 pieces. I don't know if these are supposed to be attached to each other or not. Kind of looks like it in the photo, so because it does fit. Just like so. Okay. Carla just had to do a little scratch right there. So it says to place it in boiling water for 2 minutes. So I have my boiling water, and I have a fork to dig it out since it's going to be hot. And then it says when the material... Do you have a little itch there? Do you have an itch there? Okay. Oh, let me set a timer. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Okay, so put it in the water for 2 minutes. When the impression material on the back of the Perfect Smile turns clear and soft, remove with a metal spoon or fork. If impression material is not soft, reheat the water. After you take it out, it'll be hot. Wait 10 to 15 seconds before handling it. Then we're supposed to press it firmly against the teeth. You're supposed to press the Perfect Smile firmly against your teeth, gently pushing the impression material towards your upwards with your thumbs behind your real teeth. Avoid, oh, I get it. So it's supposed to be like here and then up under your teeth. Okay. Avoid getting the impression material on the roof of your mouth. Insert Perfect Smile in a glass of cold water to cool before using. The impression material will turn white when it is properly hardened. Mine's still nice and pink. Then insert the Perfect Smile over your teeth and show off your $1 million smile. It says again, feel free to remold as many times as you want until you get the perfect custom fit. Congratulations, you're ready to begin wearing your Perfect Smile. Here are some safeguards you're supposed to avoid. Do not use tobacco products while wearing the Perfect Smile. Oh, our 2 minutes is up. Out and show you what it looks like. So see how it's all goopy. It's dropping. Good. That's what it looks like. It's sticking on my fork. So it's cool enough now. I'm going to press that up against the actual teeth itself. So I've got a good fit there. And like I said, put it in, press it, and then use the mold stuff to put around your teeth. So, here you go. Good. Alright, we're stop with color up for top. Good. Ah! Oh. How's that look? That look like a good smile? There we go. There's all the teeth. After. There's my perfect smile. Not working. Okay. I can tell right now it's not going to work. This is what the impression looks like before me cooling it. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to use this one. Let's put it back into the hot water. Give it a couple more minutes and give it another try. I think this is one of those things you have to try out for a few tries before you can get it right. It doesn't have a taste or anything like that to it. All right, let's go back to reading the instructions while we're waiting another 2 minutes. Avoid hot beverages while wearing the perfect smile. Do not eat while wearing the perfect smile. Perfect smile is not intended to use over braces or retainers. Remove the perfect smile while you're sleeping. Do not wear perfect smile if it is damaged in any way. Remove perfect smile if you feel any discomfort. Do not wear perfect smile if you have any cuts or other types of irritations on the inside of your mouth. Perfect smile is not a toy and should not be used by children. Do not substitute perfect smile for a mouth guard. Do not wear perfect smile while playing sports or during strenuous activities. Do not wear perfect smile for longer than 8 hours at a time. Warning, choking hazard, small parts. It says there are how to care for your perfect smile. All you need to do to care for your perfect smile is soak it in mouthwash for about an hour or so once a day. We recommend soaking overnight while you sleep. Alternatively, you can use a toothbrush to clean perfect smile every time you're finished wearing it. In order for this product to stay firm in the mouth, a person needs to have some existing tooth structure. And millions of people who simply can't afford expensive dental work, perfect smile is an affordable way to look better and restore your confidence. The thin construction is designed for comfort and a natural appearance. Perfect smile is intended only for temporary use when you want to enhance your appearance, but is comfortable enough to be worn all day. So, let's say it's your wedding day and you have a chipped tooth and haven't had a chance to get to the doctor. This would be something there you could use for that special occasion. Here we go. Okay. All right, once again, here it is. Let's remold this a little bit better. I'm going to take some of it away from the top of it. It just seemed like it was really thick against my front gum line. It's so thick you can't get it pressed up there. Okay. Crooked. I'll come out the top too. I got to chew onto this stuff on it. Can you understand me? Okay, I'm going to put it in the cold water and see how it feels. So sorry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Let's let it harden and see how it works. Oh my god. This is hilarious. Okay, it's hard. I think there's just too much of this plastic stuff. Oh, I see. It's not even sticking to it. You can see how right here the tooth is. So you can see right there how the veneer part is separating from the mold part. So let's try it in, or try to put it on. Oh my god. Okay, it holds firmly, but you can't possibly have a normal conversation talking with this like this. I got pink all over. My brilliant smile. Oh, Gotta focus too. Okay, here's my brilliant smile. What do you think? Does it look better? My teeth are all pink. Isn't that funny? They're pink. They're not brilliant white. They're brilliant pink. I'm going to give this one more try in the hot water. I'm going to remove a little bit of that molding material off of it because I think there's just too much of it to stick properly in my mouth. So hold on just a minute. I'm going to go reheat my water and I'll be right back. Alright, let's see if we can get a perfect smile. So I'm going to go from this to this. Well, what do you think? Guys, I've been messing with this for a good half hour now, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I keep getting pieces of that little mold stuff hanging down. Can you see that right there? Okay. So this is like not setting up and staying so the back part of my teeth follow my own tooth line. It's very hard to talk with this in. I don't know that I would ever want to wear this out in public unless it's Halloween or I am going to some sort of a costume party. You cannot talk while you're wearing this. I can see why. I can see why they say not to wear this when you're trying to eat or drink anything because I'm sure you'll just make a huge mess. I would say if you have any loose teeth at all, don't try this because it's a bit to get out of your mouth. And it causes a lot of saliva, so you're swallowing all the time too. So this was my first edition of Weird Wish Wednesday, and I sure hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I cannot wait to try out some of these other wonderful products that I have. And I will leave all the information, so the link as well as the pricing for both the Perfect Smile and the shipping cost as well. All of that will be left down below in the description box for you. I'm sorry, my smile is now very crooked, and when I thought I had white teeth before, now you can tell just how yellow my bottom teeth are, even though I've been using a teeth whitening kit that has really helped my teeth get a lot whiter and prettier. I don't know that this Perfect Smile is making me look prettier. What do you think? Maybe this would be good for class pictures. I don't know about a wedding because you do have to speak normally during your wedding and say your vows and things like that. Perhaps if you have a special photo session coming up and you just want to go ahead and have a beautiful smile, this might be the way to go. I feel like I look like that one character from The Simpsons. I can't remember what his name is, but I'll put a picture of him right here so we'll be side by side. And you tell me if we look the same. I could be cousin-in-law's sister, you never know. Anyway, again, thank you so much for watching my video on the Perfect Smile. If you have not taken a moment to subscribe to my channel yet, please make sure that you hit that make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below, along with the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. If you enjoyed this video, and since I'm making a total fool out of myself right now, feel free just to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, anything like that, feel free to leave those down below. If you've tried this before and had some success, I'd love to hear from you to find out what it is you did to make this work, because I'm having a heck of a time getting it to work properly. So as always, I love you guys, and bye-bye.